wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy John Biscuit. I'm back in the music lab with another video. You don't know, yeah man, people back in the music lab, and today from the title we deal with. Today we're there with Skeng, and he's back with another one called Gang Bang. I want to check it out and see what go on. You don't know Skeng. Yeah, he's in my bun up dancer scene right now, so we're not even gonna roll up the video much longer. I just like to hit that like and subscribe button. The likes really help with the YouTube algorithm. It helps me push my videos out there and help my channel grow. So guys, I ask you please hit that like button. But yeah man, people, not gonna go roll up the vibes much longer. We're gonna jump right in at the track. Yeah man, the one that this is Skeng new track, Gang Bang. Let's get it.
Ali team officially arrived. You know what I mean? All your folded chair, your back, and tonight
Yo.
riding wild.
At the gang job, spin on Panama.
Easy no man, easy no man, easy no man. Skeng, you can't. Yo, come on, jump in on your shot. That was jumping serious, you know. Come in, we start it.
Riding wild.
At the gang job, spin on Panama. Live it and I kill it, chop dance a lot. Hard dog money that buys chop for the block. Joe bill via pop, get mad to the max. Shaka tell me say, don't put
Easy. You don't know Skeng always come with him rough, with this rough, very thuggish, very raw, gritty style. I know man. You see my carry it over in a gang bang, you know. You see me, but come here.
if it's not good for boy, but show style that. If you know him, you know you know worry about that. Gang bang panny island, left him back.
Gang bang panny island, left a impact. A Trini dog there. Yo, Trini, big up on yourself. Come here.
Bang bang bad man. You know long dog, me nerve man. At the young love the action and the pop man. Slap 6 me the batsman. If you long one.
Ratty gang love your action. Man say yo pop 6, me on a bat. His man say bat 6, me on a batsman. If you know about cricket, you would know that.
Just bam bam. Gang bang. You know long dog, me nerve man. Send the figure on up, couple mad man. I say tall life, lean at the senseless and con man. Too clean in my day, now we lean up. Me and my young, if I stomach make it straight up.
Yeah.
Be a flame on the ground, the more you walk.
Easy man, blouse and skirts. Skeng bro, Skeng vibe is unmatched, undefeated. The man just going crazy, and he look like he mix up a couple scenes from Trini and from England when he in England. You see me, but real mad thing man. Yo, Skeng.
Top man pan the beat, big league, masterpiece.
Man said top man pan the beat, big league. Easy. Man said big league.
Thing mixing, ball and act sweet, lucky midfield. And none of them can't stop playing grace. Gunman, bang bang. You know long dog, me nerve man.
Gunman, bang bang. You know long time, me no rubber man. Easy.
Young love the action and the pop man. Slap 6 me the batsman. If you long one, make you slam bam bam. Gang bang. You know long dog, me nerve man. Send the figure on up, couple mad man. I say tall rifle in the senseless hand.
Shoo, left it tall rifle in the senseless hand. Come on, no. Skeng, behave me G.
And it's like me have to tell over again. Don't say triple.
Machine them out.
Conic.
Man said, don't say triple. Don't you know that.
All
Easy.
52 plus all 1466. Some still so black and touchdown in a chinny bad. And they'll go over in a gala. Yeah. I
Easy.
like
Easy, Skeng.
senseless.
Easy, me Jenna. Easy, me G. Skeng. Bomba people. Yeah, man, people. Real dope. Hey, real man track from Skeng. You don't know Skeng never disappoint. Always a come in with that nitty gritty, very hardcore trap dancer mixed with the yeah man with the I would say like he still got that old school DJ vibe at the same time, and he got the new trap dancehall with the new I don't know if I explain it, man, but yeah man, Skeng are doing thing man. I love it, you know, love your look, you know what I'm saying. Gang Bang, real dope track, another dope track from Skeng. He's been very consistent with the production quality and everything. The video mod, the lyrics, the beat, everything is just dope, you know what I'm saying? So definitely people, let me know what's your favorite part. And if you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support, make you know that Jam Bisco send you. Yeah, see me, yeah man people. Dropping the flags, dropping the country name, let me know when I watch from, let me know on the favorite part of the video or the favorite part of the song. And you know, definitely let me know what you want me to react to next, and I definitely get it done. Yeah man, Skeng, you find another one. Gang bang, big up yourself, my G. Yeah man. Till next time people, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.